In this video, we will see the second part of the present perfect tense. So, in the previous video, part 1, we saw the structure of present perfect and some of the usages with the examples of present perfect. Now, let us see what are the situations and what are the functionalities of the present perfect tense, which are the places we have to use present perfect tense, that we will see. So, the first place, state up to the present time. See, the action happened in the past, it is touching the present also and may happen, same may happen also. That means, the state up to the present time. Example, you see, I have known her for years. Maybe I have known her for years. In 2005, you first met her and now you know her over the years. Now also you know her, touching the present, and you may be knowing her in the future also. So, I have known her for years. That supermarket, how long has it been open? How long has it been open? So, it opened, now also it is there. How long has it been open? So, that supermarket, how long has it been open? Prices have fallen. Prices have fallen sharply over the years. Maybe the price fall started here in the past and it has been falling and now also it is fallen. So, that is the place where we use the present perfect tense. Prices have fallen sharply over the years. They have grown such a lot since we last saw them. They have grown such a lot. That means, you saw them some time back and after that they have grown. So, state, that is the state of affairs leading up to the present time. Now, the second one, here we will see where do we use present perfect. Indefinite events in a period leading up to the present. Indefinite period, it happened in the past and it happened in the past maybe many times and it has got some influence over the present also. There we use the present perfect tense. Example, I have seen better plays. I have seen better plays. In the past I have seen better plays. They have complained about the traffic before, even earlier, before also they have complained about the traffic. When you mean a particular time, when did you complain? I complained yesterday, there past tense comes. But when you want to mean an event which is happening over the period of time in the past, having influence over the present, there we use the present perfect. Then we have read instructions. The instructions, you are entering into some hospital, maybe some instructions have been given there. You read it, somebody comes and asks you, have you read the instructions? Yes, I have read the instruction. Actually, reading of the instruction took place in the past time, but it has got the influence over the present. It has got something connected to the present. So, I have read instructions. This lift has broken down. This lift has broken down. It has broken down maybe in the past and it has got the effect till now. You have to repair it. So, you see these examples. I have seen better place. They have complained about the traffic before also. We have read instructions. The lift has broken down. The lift has broken down. Now, let us see some other situations where do we use the present perfect tense. Whenever we want to refer a habit in a period leading up to the present time, the habit started and it continued in the past and it is still there with us. For example, he has conducted that orchestra for 15 years. So, for the past 15 years, the orchestra has been conducted, that is it. She has attended lectures regularly. Maybe 5 years back she started and still leading up to the present, the action is taking place. She has attended lectures regularly. He has played regularly for CSK, Chennai Super Kings. They have been to Sri Lanka 3 times. They have been to Sri Lanka 3 times. Then fourth one, where do we use present perfect tense? With present results. Action took place in the past, but has got results over the present. It has got influence over the present. You have ruined my dress. See, I am showing it now. I have something wrong happened in with my dress. There was some soiling or something like. I am bringing it is in my hand. So that point of time, I am telling her, see, you have ruined my dress. It is there. The taxi has arrived. It is just standing in front of the gate. The taxi has arrived. The doll has been broken. Where is the doll? It has been broken. You see it. So action took place in the past, but having connection with the present. Oh, I have cut my fingers. You are showing it. The bleeding, it's bleeding. Oh, I have cut my fingers. The cutting of the fingers happened in the past, but it is having effect over the present, like this. So now we will see with some adverbial references like recently, regularly, shortly, with just. Normally we use the present perfect tense. So I will give more examples on that now. Okay. Present perfect tense is always used with whenever these words just, recently, already, yet, ever we use, there we invariably use the present perfect tense. For example, Raju has just opened the window. Mala has recently met me. Ali has given a talk recently. Don't forget to post the letter, will you? I have already posted the letter. What time Madhuri is leaving? She has already gone. I have written the letter, but I haven't posted it yet. You observe now, with yet, recently, already, ever, just, we normally use the present perfect. Some more examples I will give. I have just had my lunch. Hello, have you just arrived? Do you know where Preeti is? Yes, I have just seen her near the library. My friends have just left. With already. I have already posted the letter. What time Arun is leaving? He has already left. Is Aruna coming to cinema? No, she has already seen the movie. With yet. I have written the letter, but I haven't posted it yet. I have written the letter, but haven't posted it yet. What does Meena think about your plan? I haven't revealed her the plan. There have been some changes recently. He has had lot of bad luck recently. With ever. Have you ever fallen off a horse? This is the best juice I have ever drunk. This is the worst movie I have ever seen. This is the easiest job I have ever had. Some more examples of present perfect. Please pay attention. Where is your key? I don't know. I have lost it. He told me his name, but I have forgotten it. Is Sita here? No, she has gone out. He is away on a holiday. He has gone to Spain. We have never had a car. Have you heard from George recently? I have drunk 4 cups of coffee today. Have you had a holiday this year? I haven't seen Timothy this morning. Have you? This is a lovely meal. It's the first good meal I have had for ages. Bill is phoning his friend again. That's the 3rd time he has phoned her this evening, like this. So, these are some more examples of present perfect tense. So, I want you to see this and practice it. Thank you.